welcome back to my channel. This is Crystal, and in today's video I'm gonna do another unboxing video of a product that Project E Beauty sent me. So this arrived yesterday and it actually arrived earlier than expected, so I'm really excited to see what's in this, although I already have an idea. This is from Hong Kong and it usually arrives really fast, and it came earlier than expected, so that's really nice. Just go ahead and unbox this because I'm really excited to see what's in this. Alright, so here is the box that it comes in this time, and it is sealed with this like organic sticker. Organic sticker, is that what it's called? Organic paper sticker. So I'm just gonna, so usually I like cutting this with my nails, or if I have a knife I'll slice this down with a knife, but I don't have any right here, so hold on. So without breaking my nails, I was able to open the box. So let's just go ahead and see together. Oh, so this is exactly what I was expecting to get, and this looks super professional. Like whenever they send me their products, I feel like a skin clinic is sending me a skincare device. It really feels good because you know that they are really reliable, and honestly for me, Project E Beauty is very reliable, especially when you look at their website and just take a look at their packaging, their box, their presentation, their branding, their marketing and everything. I just feel like they're really professional and they're really reliable. I mean, there are so many devices, like low-end devices that are similar to this, but I feel like they won't really work like this because of course it's always nice to get something from a reputable and reliable company. So they have a lot of skincare, and guys, this is their own. This is not something that has no brand. This is a branded device. Alright, so this is the facial and eye Photon ultrasonic device. Do you guys see that? Ooh, I love the gold details there, like the font and everything. Even the Project E Beauty is gold. I know how much effort and love they put in their packaging. Like even their packaging, I see how much love and dedication they put into this brand. So let's go ahead and open this up. And by the way, this is how the device looks like. I'm really excited for this. I haven't tried anything like this. Like they sent me their what do you call this, the Luma mask LED light face mask, is that what it's called? Yeah, but the mask that you put on, I'm just gonna put it right here, but that is the product they sent me. So yeah, when you open the box you will see your warranty card, which is this one. So there is 1 year, activate your 1 year free warranty now. So there is a QR code there that you can use, and of course the user manual. And when you're trying a device like this, you have to read the user manual because it says everything there, the instructions. But I'm not gonna be able to like test this out today. I'm wearing makeup, and of course something like this you need to test out for at least a week or a month to really see the results, and you know, so you get an idea of how you really feel about it and how it works. All right, oh my gosh, I hope I don't drop this. Yeah, so this is the device. It comes with this gel that they usually include in the package that they send me, and then there is their skin technology. What is this? Alright, so this is the facial and eye Photon ultrasonic device. Isn't that so cool? It's lightweight, but still it has weight to it. I don't know if I'm making sense, but you know what I mean. Like it is lightweight, it is handy, but you know that it's good quality. Like it's made of really good quality materials. It's really different from the cheap devices that you buy online. It really feels sturdy, and even it's super nice to hold. And yeah, like I can definitely tell that the quality is good. This is like a mini baby version of the one they sent me, the one for slimming. So yeah, so this is the device. I'm just gonna give you guys a little spin so you guys can see. There are buttons here, so this is to turn on sonic, photon, and yeah, there's high, middle, and low. I really can't wait to test this out. Like you guys have no idea. If you guys have been on my channel for a long time now, you know that I love testing out beauty devices and of course makeup and skincare, everything beauty. So yeah, this is the gel they sent me. This is the Aqua Collagen Gel, and this is yeah, basically the same gel they sent me, but I'm not going to open this because I still have like 2 bottles to go through. But this is really nice. It feels like a really nice lightweight serum that you apply before you actually use the device. But there you go. This is the Aqua Collagen Gel. And of course, another thing that's amazing about this product is that it's rechargeable, it's wireless, it comes with this USB jack. You can use this anytime, anywhere, at the comfort of your own home, or even if you're traveling, you're out of town, you can bring this with you, charge it, and use it anytime, wherever. So another thing they sent me is this one. Oh my gosh. I think these are goggles. They've never sent me anything like this, but yeah, they are goggles. Look at that, you guys. So I think you're supposed to wear this while you are doing the treatment to like protect your eyes from the light. Yeah. So here you go, you have the goggles. It's nice that they already included everything. Your skin technology for light therapy skincare. Ooh, I'm so excited to use this, you guys. Looks like that. I'm sweating, so I have to like cool down for a bit. But they also sent me these plastic rings. I'm not really sure what this is for yet. My studio has natural lighting, so this is like natural lighting now. So a minute ago I was using my ring light that I plugged into this power bank, and the power bank just decided to die in the middle of my filming. So let's just ignore that and appreciate natural sunlight sometimes. Of course, there is a switch. Oh, there's a sound. So you can choose Photon, Sonic. I don't really know what I'm doing right now, but oh my gosh, see? That is the light. Oh my gosh, the first one was the blue light, green light. This is the red light. Hopefully you guys can see. And then this is the... So you only have 3 colors, I guess. So blue, green, and red. Can't wait to use this. So the thing that I like about this is that you can spot treat your problematic areas. Like you can use this only where you want to, like only on certain areas. You don't really have to like cover your whole face with the light therapy. You can use this only on certain areas. It even says here this is for the face and your eyes. So if you have like dark circles, like different colors really has different skin benefits for certain skin types. And if you guys still don't know anything about LED therapy light, go ahead and do your research, because it's always nice to like know the trend, like skincare trends. There's so many different inventions. Like skincare and science and technology always improves. These are the new inventions that I feel like has been really tested by dermatologists, and I know a lot of people have seen progress. I know a lot of people who believe in LED therapy. It has also been proven by science. That's why a lot of dermatologists use this. And if you go to a skin clinic, like a facial LED therapy can cost a lot. Like they even use this for the body. Like there's like a bigger machine for LED therapy for the body only, but these are the handy devices that you can use for your face. And it's nice that Project eBeauty made something that you can use at home. You don't really need to go to a skin clinic. Like I said, you can do it at the comfort of your own home. So that's really nice, and I really appreciate that, because not everyone can go out and go to a skin clinic or the spa or get a facial or whatever. Like especially me, like I've never had facial before. If anything, like there was one time that I tried diamond peel, but that's it, and that was years and years and years and years ago. I've never been to a skin clinic after that. Yeah, so yeah, I just really love the idea of a really handy device that you can use at home. Like I know that different colors of light has different skin benefits, so you're gonna want to research the different lights and their benefits. So for the blue light, this setting allows the device to penetrate the skin approximately 0.5 millimeter and is optimal to use for skin rashes. This is suitable for skin that is sensitive, oily, and or has rashes. It is also effective at reducing acne and tightening loose skin. Oh my gosh, so if you feel like your skin is sagging right here, this is where usually the face starts to sag. You can focus this product here, or you can even move it like this. So it's really easy to use. And then the green light, it says here, this setting is optimal for mixed skin and brightens dull skin, leaving you glowing. Oh my gosh, that is exactly what I need. So what you can do sometimes is like go for the blue light first, and then after that focus on the areas that you want to brighten up. So you don't have to really use one color per day, I mean per session. You can use like all those 3 different lights per session. And then this red light, this setting allows the device to penetrate the skin approximately 8 to 10 millimeters, which stimulates fiber cells and the production of collagen, reducing wrinkles and making skin smoother and more elastic. Oh, I love the sound of that. And it is optimal for the areas surrounding the eyes, forehead, and works best for fine lines, reducing pore size and swelling after surgery. There's so much more I can say about this, but I'm gonna get into the details when I do the actual product testing. So, but for now, I really love the idea of this, especially because you can use this for your face and your eyes. So yeah, I am going to definitely do an updated video once I have already tested this out. That is it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing. Okay, this bird needs to like stop singing for now. Or okay, continue singing. We do need to appreciate nature sounds sometimes. But yeah, I hope you don't mind the bird chirping. But I'm just gonna continue with the video. I really enjoyed this unboxing just because it feels so lightweight. It didn't really stress my hand. I can't wait to see results. We love skincare products that we can apply on our skin, and I really believe also in like backing up your skincare with science and technology and devices like this, just because I feel like it really boosts your skin's ability to heal and to improve. I mean, it's not gonna change your face entirely, but it's really meant to improve the appearance of your skin overall, and like lesser wrinkles, brighter skin. If your skin looks dull, it's going to make your face just look really brighter and fresher. So that is why I love products like this. Again, thank you so much Project eBeauty for gifting me this device. I really can't wait to try this product and show everyone how it works. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys again next time. Bye!